with a cozy and rustic feel. Transform your living room into a cozy, rustic retreat. In this video, we'll show you how to create a warm and inviting living room with a rustic charm. Whether you're looking to redesign your space or just add a few cozy touches, this guide will give you all the inspiration and ideas you need to achieve a perfect balance of comfort and rustic beauty. What you'll find in this video. 1. Natural materials and textures. Learn how to use natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and soft textiles to give your living room a rustic and authentic feel. We'll show you how to incorporate these elements into your furniture, decor, and architectural details. 2. Warm color palettes. Discover the best color schemes for a cozy, rustic living room. From earthy tones like warm browns, soft creams, and muted greens, to deep, rich colors that create a welcoming and snug atmosphere, we've got all the tips on how to choose the perfect palette. 3. Rustic furniture selection. See examples of cozy, rustic furniture that perfectly complements the style of your living room. We'll help you choose pieces like oversized, comfortable sofas, reclaimed wood coffee tables, and armchairs that invite you to curl up with a good book. 4. Layering with textiles. Learn how to use plush rugs, soft throw blankets, and layered cushions to create a warm, cozy vibe in your living room. We'll offer tips on how to mix different textures like wool, linen, and faux fur to add depth and comfort to your space. 5. Adding a rustic fireplace. Nothing says cozy like a fireplace. We'll show you how to create a rustic fireplace feature with materials like stone, brick, or even wood beams, and how to style it to become the focal point of your living room. 6. Rustic lighting ideas. From vintage lanterns to iron chandeliers, we'll give you ideas for choosing lighting fixtures that add warmth and a rustic touch to your living room. We'll also explore how soft, ambient lighting can enhance the cozy atmosphere. 7. Decorating with rustic accents. Learn how to use rustic decor like weathered wood shelves, vintage signs, woven baskets, and antique accessories to add personality and charm to your space. We'll show you how to strike a balance between rustic decor and functional living room design. 8. Incorporating greenery. See how adding natural elements like plants or even dried flowers can enhance the rustic feel of your living room. We'll provide tips on the best types of plants to complement a cozy, rustic aesthetic. 9. Creating a cozy nook. Explore ideas for creating a snug reading nook or cozy corner in your living room with rustic furniture and soft textiles. We'll show you how to carve out a space that feels personal and inviting. 10. Maximizing space and functionality. Learn how to make your rustic living room not only cozy and stylish but also functional. We'll share tips on furniture arrangement and storage solutions that ensure your space remains practical for everyday living. Why choose a cozy and rustic living room design? Warm and inviting. Rustic design brings an undeniable warmth and comfort to your living room, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Timeless appeal. With its natural materials and cozy elements, a rustic living room never goes out of style, offering a timeless look that you'll love for years. Perfect for relaxation. The cozy, layered textures and soft lighting create an environment that's perfect for lounging, reading, or spending time with family. Versatile decor. Rustic style allows for flexibility, giving you the freedom to mix modern elements with traditional ones for a personalized touch. Transform your living room into a cozy, rustic retreat that everyone will love. Watch this video for step-by-step design tips and ideas to create a space that's both inviting and stylish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration and design trends.